I want to walk through installing local memory with the agent prompt. This is probably the easiest way to do it. There's 3 ways you can do kind of the simple way where you just run the npm install command and then just do local memory start. This is the easier way. So you just copy the prompt after you've completed your Stripe payment, and then you would go in and just paste it in. So I'm going to walk through that fairly quickly. So when you come to back to local memory after completing your Stripe payment, you're going to see your license key, and then you're going to see the prompts for your system down at the bottom. You make a copy, you copy it, click the copy button, and then you open up Claude Code, and then you paste the prompt in. That's pretty much it. And then from there, your agent is going to run through the commands. It's about 8 steps, depending on what you have installed. It's going to look to see if you already have local memory installed on your system. And then if you don't, then it'll pull it down from npm. If you do, it's going to look to see if you have the latest version, and then update to the latest version. As you can see on this system, on my system, the latest version as of today's date, this is version 1.0.7. And then it'll go through to see if you have Ollama installed, which is a local LLM, and that essentially helps Claude Code do natural language conversation around memories. It's almost like thinking to itself. And then it's going to look to see if you have Qdrant installed, and that's the vector search. So on this system, you see I already have all of them installed, but if I didn't, it would run through, install everything, check to make sure everything's running correctly and functioning, and then that'd be pretty much it. And all you have to do is kind of sit back and make sure and watch and make sure everything runs, but it works perfectly. So now it's going to run through, just do a check just to make sure there are no more updates. So it's going through, runs the npm command, then checks Ollama, see if you have the latest version, and check to see if you have the latest version of Qdrant. I'm going to run that command, fairly straightforward. Latest version, it matches, so it'll move on to the next step. Starting local memory. And starts Qdrant. And then from there, it's going to go out and configure Claude Code and Claude Desktop and any other systems that you have that need the local memory MCP setup. And so that might include Cursor, or Windsurf, or whatever other system you use. If you use a different system, it's a fairly easy thing. You just copy the MCP server configuration and paste it in. And you can find that localmemory.co website. So now let's run it through to do the license key verification. So that's happening now. And then it will run through, do one final functionality test to create a memory, and then you're done. That's pretty much it. Easy peasy. So if you have any questions, just go to the localmemory.co website. You can also join our Discord as well as and ask questions. If you already have it running, you can ask for new features or any integrations that you might have. Happy to answer any questions you have. For now, temporarily, there's a LM Launch 40 code that you can get 40% off. Looking forward to seeing how everybody uses it in answering any questions you have. Thank you.